The African elephant is the world's largest land animal with adult males, standing up to 3 meters high and weighing up to 6,000 kilograms on average. Males only reach their full size at 35 to 40 years. At birth, a baby elephants weigh 210 pounds, or 95 kilograms. African elephants eat a huge variety of plant material including grasses, bark, twigs, roots, leaves, fruits, and vegetables. They are even capable of eating the wooden trunks of trees and logs by chipping off pieces with their tusks or by simply chewing on them with their huge grinding teeth. The African bush elephant is the largest land mammal in the world and the largest of the 3 elephant species. Adults reach up to 24 feet in length and 13 feet in height and weigh up to 11 tons. Collection of the Zoological Society of London. Jumbo was one of the first animal celebrities in London's history. Born in Sudan, in East Africa, he was imported to Europe and moved into London Zoo in 1865. Jumbo was an African bush elephant, one of the largest ever seen in Europe. Adult female elephants are called cows. A baby elephant is called a calf. African elephants have large ears that look like the shape of Africa, rounded heads. Male and female African elephants can have tusks. There are 2 species of African elephants: the savanna, or bush, elephant and the forest elephant. Savanna elephants are larger than forest elephants, and their tusks curve outwards. In addition to being smaller, forest elephants are darker and their tusks are straighter and point downward. The largest elephant on record was an adult male African savanna elephant. He weighed about 24,000 pounds, 10,886 kilograms, and was 13 feet, 3.96 meters, tall at the shoulder. Most elephants don't get that large, but African elephants do grow larger than Asian elephants. Elephants also have rather large ears. They are designed this way to pump blood around them to help cool the elephant down under the hot African sun. The more the ears flap, the hotter the elephant is. Bull elephants are also known as bachelors, and often seen with other male elephants to form small groups of their own. Family life is definitely all about mums and their babies, although the male elephants are usually not too far away, keeping an eye on their offspring. Many African cultures revere the African elephant as a symbol of strength and power. It is also praised for its size, longevity, stamina, mental faculties, cooperative spirit, and loyalty. Its religious importance is mostly totemic. Many societies believed that their chiefs would be reincarnated as elephants. In the 10th century, the people of Igbo Ukwu in Nigeria buried their leaders with elephant tusks. African elephants until the beginning of the 21st century. Between 2000 and 2010, however, scientists began to recognize 2 separate species of African elephants, the African bush elephant. While these 2 animals have much more in common with each other than they do with Asian elephants, Elephas maximus, there are several physical differences, in addition to genetic differences, that set them apart from one another. Bush elephants have larger ears that are more pointed and less oval-shaped than those of forest elephants. The tusks of bush elephants curve outward, whereas those of forest elephants are straighter and point down. The elephants live in small family groups, and they provide several valuable ecosystem services as they move through the forest. One of the most important is their thinning of vegetation by crushing or consuming small trees and plants, which allows increased access to sunlight, water, and nutrients in the soil for those plants that remain. In addition, fruits are a large part of the diets, and the seeds passing through the digestive systems are excreted in dung, sometimes far from where the fruit was eaten. This method of seed dispersal is important to the survival of trees and other plants, the dung itself serving as a natural fertilizer. African forest elephant. Home science. Mammals. Placental mammals. Animals and nature. African forest elephant mammal, also known as Loxodonta cyclotis, written by fact-checked by last updated article. History. African forest elephant, Loxodonta cyclotis, African forest elephant, Loxodonta cyclotis, African forest elephants, Loxodonta cyclotis, are found in tropical forests from Senegal east to the Democratic Republic of the Congo.